Good morning from my kitchen again. Now I'm going to show you one more time how to use this Tigwin apple core slicer and peeler, which is, I think, the cleverest tool in my pantry. Okay, this thing's going to come almost completely assembled. There were a few extra parts that confused me, but they were just extra parts. All you have to do is take a screwdriver and attach this wooden part of the handle to the other, and it's pretty much set up. This is the part that peels the apple. It's on a spring-loaded base so that it adjusts to whatever size apple you're putting in there. This is the lever. There's no bolts, there's no screws, there's no nails, there's nothing tricky. You just push this lever up and back to create a suction on your counter. So I've suctioned it down. Right up from that lever is this little, from this lever is another lever that you push in to pull this fork back, and you let it lock in place. Each time that you use it, the fork will be at the end. You have to pull it back to the start. Now I'm making apple cinnamon sugar slices some to dehydrate, some to cook with, some to just eat, because it's one of the best treats in my house. First you have to get that thing on there the best you can. Oh, well, that's good enough. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it through there. You're going to see, these things are $20. That's one of the best bargains in my house. So now I've taken that all the way through. Wait till the fork gets all the way through. Then you pull out the cores here. Discard the core, discard the peel. Then it's not wasted at my house because I'm a gardener and I compost it. Now I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do. I already have some of to finish making okay, now what I'm going to do, let me see how it's attached. They're like what will come out as a long, bandy kind of like a slinky toy. You make one cut where they're connected and they'll separate into individual. This little white plastic tray came with my my Cottage dehydrator, and it's never available for the Cottage because I always have it using it for something else. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to spread these apple slices out on this tray the best I can, and it's unlike most cutting. It's not a cutting board. It's not thick enough for that. It's perfect for this because it has a lip that'll hold the lemon juice that I'm getting ready to put on it. Or it could be whatever you're doing with this. So far, I can't, find a place to. Okay, so there we have it. There I have them pretty much well arranged. Now I'm going to add lemon to it. I have a blog about lemon. Lemon is one of the healthiest foods in my kitchen. I buy about 3 bags of lemons a week. I use, of course, I'm a Southerner, so I'm going to have lemon in my tea, sweet tea. But okay, let me see now. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this handy dandy device, which I also think I got on Amazon, and I'm going to squirt lemon, fresh lemon, I rarely use anything but fresh lemon. If I were gonna buy a processed lemon, it would be a frozen lemon, probably. Frozen lemon juice. But it's just as easy for me just to buy a bag of lemons. Quite honestly, you could use those cast outs to make cleaning oil. I'm gonna put one more on there. Now what I'm gonna do, this is a McCormick, but there are other brands, cinnamon sugar mixed in a sprinkle bottle. So I'm gonna sprinkle cinnamon sugar all around it, all over all of these apples that I've just covered with lemon juice. Now I'm going to put them all in this bag. I've already done one set. I'm going to put them all in this bag. And then I have some apple cinnamon prepared. This is just 2/3 cup sugar, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. I'm going to just sprinkle that liberally in this bag. Shake it. Shake it again. And then I'm going to put it in the refrigerator and let that all set for at least 24 hours. So and they're good to eat, I promise you. You already have a good treat. If you're just for eating, you already have a good treat and you haven't dehydrated or anything. So that's the way I make apple cinnamon sugar slices, which is the basis for several things that I do.